Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm going to be day trading NASDAQ futures. I trade the NQ. It's currently Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025. Market will be open in less than 4 minutes, so it's time to be patient and just see what kind of setups we get today. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. I do videos for futures, stocks, options, and crypto. So just make sure you're subscribed so you can learn about all that stuff. Now let's see what we get today. Looks like it wants to go lower. Take a quick short here. Come on, 10 points, and then I'm done with this account for the day.
Declaring that a stock had gone too far, that it must reverse, that the movement could not continue.
Lock in my profits there. 10 points. Awesome. Alright, so now we're on this evaluation account. Let's get it back in the profits. Ooh, there we go. More momentum to the downside. I think we got a little bit more room to go. I'll try to get 10 points on this evaluation account here.
But because it is indifferent, it rewards those who flow with it and crushes those who stand against it.
Let's see. Oh, stopped out. So that means I'm going long. Trade back to the upside here. Put my stop right below that wick.
Then why are watching the endless stream of figures that measure men's fortunes? Every market, every move.
Kind of doubting, kind of second guessing this.
Speculation, gossip, and excuses.
All right, I'm gonna wait. I just got out of that for a tiny loss. I'm just gonna wait until I see a little bit more of a sign that we're going to push up. Alright, going in for that long, try to get 10 points. Alright, it looks like I might get stopped out. Yep, got stopped out on that one. So it looks like we're going to go lower. Alright, try to get this. If my trade will enter, there we go. Try to get this 10-point move to the upside. Looks like the bulls are stepping in a little bit here and keeping price from going too much lower, but will it be enough?
Tells the truth. What saved me time and again, when I remembered to practice it, was the discipline of ignoring everything but the line of least resistance.
No, looks like we're gonna fall.
Never too high to buy when the trend is up.
Looks like we're gonna fall a little bit lower. Stopped out. Oh man, that doesn't look good on the account, but a few good trades will get it back in the green. It's an engulfing candle. Alright, I'm going to try to get a 10-point long here. Strong push back up on the 15. Strong engulfing candle on the 5 there. Come on, give me 10 points. I got to start making some progress on this evaluation account. The flag pattern might be invalidated here in a minute.
Which path do you think most men take? And which path will you?
Come on, hit the target, hit the target. Come on, I need a winner. There we go, 10 points finally. Alright, so right now we're in this sideways trading range. I'm going to take a long, try to get 10 points to the upside here. Let's see if I can get my trend line over here so I can mark this up. Almost. Let's see, there we go, 10 points. Alright, so got myself out of the red a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can get one more long off the bottom of this range here. Grab 10 points. Right now ATR is only 13, so it could take a few candles to get up there. But I think we will work our way back up to the top of that range. Alright, 11.
But there is no magic word. The tape is the only source you need. It contains all the knowledge of all the market participants combined. Every buyer and every seller has cast his vote. And the result is
we might take out that target quicker than I thought. Let's see, 12.5 points, 13 points in the money. We might go ahead and hit it.
And yet, will you believe the
we might go ahead and hit it. ATR is below 13 now, but it looks like we still might just go ahead and take out that wick right there. There's probably a little bit of liquidity right above it, so maybe that's what it wants. Let's see. 14 points. There we go. 15.25 points on that trade. So now I'm only 147.90 in the red on the day for that evaluation account. So I got it back up to 49,424. So just got to keep going, see what else the market gives me. One more 10-point winner will get that account back in the green for the day. We're kind of in the middle of that range if you look up here at the 5-minute chart. But I guess we could look at it like this. I guess it could be technically like that. So if you look at it like that, we're at the top of the range, but we got room to spike up a little bit before going down. But I'm gonna bet that we drop a little bit more before Powell speaks. Saw a big big block of sell orders on the tape.
It answers only to noise whip them about until their accounts are bled dry. Tell me, must you always be busy, or can you be wise instead? I have seen bull markets that made men rich simply because they bought and held, and I have seen bear markets that ruined whole crowds because they refused to accept the downtrend. They said it cannot go lower, but it did. They said it
all right, let's see, we're getting close. Can we get can we hit the target? Can we hit the target? Oh, about 7.5 points there. I guess when I averaged in with that other contract, it made my profit target smaller. But that was 7.5 points with 2 contracts. I'm 150 in the green on the day now on that evaluation. So now I'm currently only about $277 in drawdown on that. So another couple of trades and I could have that back up above 50,000 and finally be working that evaluation account towards being funded. Okay, so I've gotten a few good trades today. I managed to pull myself back up out of the red on this evaluation account down here. So I've gotten it $150 in the green. I had 2 winning trades on this funded account here, so $393 in profits on that. I'm only shooting for somewhere between $350 to $400 in profits on that one per day, just to keep it consistent so that I get the payout on there and there's no issues. So I shoot for $350 to $400 on my funded accounts, and then the evaluation accounts I'll be a little bit more aggressive and I'll just trade as long as there's good price action to trade. I'll keep trading these because I like to get these funded within 2 to 3 days. This one I actually had a losing trade on yesterday, so it threw me down in the red a decent amount. So I was able to get it up in the green today on the day, but it's still down a couple hundred below 50,000, but I'll get that back. I might trade more the rest of the day after Jerome Powell speaks. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to call it a day as far as the video is concerned because we still have another hour before Jerome Powell speaks. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded. So the next time I make a video, you know, these accounts will be different anyways. I may not make a video every single day unless I have people commenting, you know, asking me to, and I know that it's worth me doing. So if you enjoy these videos, please leave a comment and let me know so that I know for sure it's worth me making these every day, because if not, I'm just going to kind of do it every other day or so. And I'll continue doing my short form videos for crypto, overall market updates and stuff like that. And then I'll share clips from my day trading and stuff. But if you got any questions, just comment below. I hope you find some value in this, and it maybe seeing me trade in real time will actually help you with some of your strategies. It's kind of tricky when you first start out, but the only thing that's going to make you a better trader is just time in the market. So these Apex accounts are super cheap. You can use NinjaTrader or a couple different platforms. They're super cheap. You can run through these and not lose that much money while you're learning. So in my opinion, that's one of the best ways to do it. And then just take notes of what you did wrong each week, each day, and just make a goal to improve every week. And then within a matter of a few months or so, you'll be profitable, getting payouts. And then you can use the same strategies to swing trade on longer positions, like in your retirement accounts or whatever. That's what I do. But I will say this, day trading, you need to do it Monday through Friday, and you just need to tough it out. You just have to make yourself do it. Spend at least 2 hours in the market every day, Monday through Friday, as long as the market's open. You're going to get your butt kicked for several weeks. You're going to go through several evaluation accounts. But if you hang in there and just improve a little bit week on week, day after day, then you'll eventually be getting funded. And then it'll be easy to get funded. And then you'll get a payout. And then it's going to be easy to get payouts. So just stick with it. You just have to put the time in. That's the only trick. Put the time in and be aware of what you're doing wrong, and just correct your bad habits with trading as you go. Make little improvements every week, and you can't lose in the long run if you do that. So like the video if you found value in it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until next time, peace out.